Hola a todos. Welcome back to Learn Spanish 3 words at a time. I'm Aria, your Spanish learning buddy. Today, we're going to learn 3 important words about family. Are you ready? Vamos? Let's go. Our first word is mama. It means mom in Spanish. Easy, right? Let's say it together, mama. Next, we have papa. It means dad. Notice the accent on the last A. That gives it a strong sound, papa. And finally, we have grande. It means big. You can use it to describe something that's really large, like this house. Let's practice our new words. I'll say the word in Spanish and you say it back to me. Mama. Papa. Grande. Now, let's put these words into a sentence. Ready? Mi mama y mi papa viven en una casa grande. This means, my mom and my dad live in a big house. Let's break it down. Mama y papa means mom and dad. Casa grande means big house. Now you try. Say it with me, mi mama y mi papa viven en una casa grande. Great job. You're becoming a Spanish pro. That's all for today's episode of Learn Spanish 3 words at a time. Remember, practice these words with your family at home. And don't forget to join me next time for 3 more fun words. Like, subscribe, and comment below to tell me your favorite Spanish word so far. Hasta luego.